Testing out a Capstan motor for a TEAC X-1000R. For some reason this servo board blew a transistor when I installed it into this unit, but the motor appears to be good. I've got a power supply connected to it right now, and when I speed up or increase the voltage, the motor speeds up like it should. And to go into auto reverse, you need to reverse the polarity. Do that right quick, and the motor should spin the other direction. And we see it going the other direction at full speed. Just need to clean it up a little bit, and I'm going to reinstall it in the in a different TEAC X-1000R. Quick look inside of the TEAC X-1000R. This is the one that went snap, crackle, pop when I plugged in a different motor. This transistor, little power transistor right here, had blown. And there was also a little small resistor that had burned up also. But I'm going to swap that transistor out, and that should bring us back into operation. I have a pair of hemostats clamped onto the transistor, and I'm going to desolder it, and it should pull right out. Still stuck in there. Alright, this must be a two-hand operation. Okay, so we definitely got our money's worth out of this transistor. I'm going to track down another one. Should have one here in the shop somewhere. And we'll reinstall it into this TEAC X-1000R. So I found one of these transistors in an old TEAC X-10R. These pretty common transistor. And I've got it connected to my transistor tester, and it looks like it's good. It's a PNP transistor, which it is, and this tells you which lead is on which leg of the transistor. Red is on the emitter, green is on the base, and the blue one is on the collector, which is the middle. And make sure the readings are okay. It's good. The current's good. It's good. Take copper leak. It's good. And leak current is 0. That's good reading. So I'm going to pop this replacement transistor into the spot where we just removed the other one and try to get this thing back up and operational. Okay, a moment of truth. I've got the transistor installed. I had to put on a new servo board. This one was blowing those transistors when I tried to plug it into the machine. I found out why. This is a board for a high-speed unit, and apparently they're a little different than the regular boards that go on these low-speed units. So I've got the right board in there now. I've got it connected. I'm going to turn on the machine. I've got a tape loaded onto it now. Get the tension arms up. So when I press the power button, we should see this motor start to spin. Fingers crossed. All right. Success. Okay, so I'm going to clean this thing up, get the rest of that goo off of there, and then we're going to install the belt and put the motor back on this machine. Okay, so the motor's all cleaned up now. Use this awesome stuff that you can get at the Dollar Tree to clean that goop off the motor pulley. And we're going to set it down in here and get that pulley beneath this belt so it rides like this on the pulley and spins the capstans. Okay, it's kind of hard to video the process, but essentially what you want to do is grab that belt with your finger and lift it over the pulley as you're sliding the motor assembly up into position. And there's a little tab right here from this solenoid that has a little tab that goes down into the base plate of the motor, and that lines up all the holes, and then you get that first screw in. It could be either one, but that'll hold the motor in place as you install the motor assembly. Okay, so I have the motor mounted and the motor is spinning freely. You can see the belt turning the capstan. Right now it's in the reverse mode. If I put it in the forward mode, that belt should slip towards the rear of the machine as designed. I'm going to press forward. And we can see the belt move back to the rear of the machine. Okay, the next item of business is to work on those pinch rollers that are gummed up, and we'll pick that up next. Next up is the pinch roller assembly. Pinch rollers are locked up. It's been sitting for a while. They should move up and down freely, but these are gummed up, so we're going to take this assembly apart and rebuild it. Put some lubrication on there so these pinch rollers move as they should. Start off with taking off the faceplate, or the head cover, excuse me. Remove the pinch rollers. Be careful, they've got a couple of washers on them that you don't want to lose. One here and one on the other side. One on the other side can stay where it is. It's right here. Next up, we'll take this cover off. Next, we'll take this bracket off, 2 screws. Okay, next up, we're going to have to put some heat on these tension arms to lift them off the shaft. This is where the grease gets old and sticky, and that prevents the pinch rollers from moving up and down as they should. So I'm going to apply a little heat to these guys, and they should slip right off afterwards. I'm going to be using this rework tool. It's on a soldering station. To heat up these lift arms for the pinch rollers and loosen that grease up so we can lift the mechanism off. Got a pair of vice grips connected to the shaft that holds the pinch rollers, because this is going to get pretty hot. And you just apply the heat for a little bit until the grease loosens up, and these things will lift right off. We're almost there. You just work it off slowly, take your time. Once it starts coming off, just be real gentle lifting it up, because there's a washer down below this shaft that you'll need to clean off and replace. Okay, and this is what the unit looks right now. Super hot. Let it cool down a little bit, and then hit it with some alcohol, clean off the dried up grease inside. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, we're also going to have to clean off the grease that's on that base plate, and we'll move those. We'll remove the washers that go under the levers. Right now, this is real gummy still. Just going to clean that up, because this should move up and down pretty freely. But yeah, we're going to get that washer out, and there's another one on this side, and just clean up all the old grease from inside this unit. Once everything's been cleaned up and you've put a little lube on the washer and this faceplate here, so everything slides up really easy. You want to line these holes. Just use a Q-tip or something, or a small screwdriver to get the holes aligned. And do the same thing on this side. And I've put a little bit of grease on the shafts, not much, just a little bit. You can use any kind of grease. If you can think for a minute that the grease that was on there is almost 50 years old, and if it were being used all the time, I wouldn't have to do this procedure. So if you've got some all-purpose grease, use that. I've got some white lithium that I've been using on a lot of stuff, and it works really well, so I use that. But by all means, if you have some all-purpose grease, you can just use that. No. Okay, so I've got the left one on. Find it easy if you can align the washer with this lever at this lowest point. Just use a Q-tip or something too, or any kind of little device that can fit down in there, and line up the holes together again at their lowest point. So when you slip this lever on, this shaft should go right in between those that washer and the lever. Now we're going to work the grease in a little bit, and it should move up and down freely. And now just reassemble the unit. Put on a little brace first. bracket. And the pinch rollers. And lastly, the head cover. Okay, and that's it for the rebuild of the or the control lift mechanism. In the next video, we're going to go over some of the calibrations on the audio on this TEAC X-1000R.